It's Tom with Fresh Vintage YouTube channel. We got our 98 Accord here, and we're going to go ahead and change that cabin air filter. And we've done these before, and you would not believe all the nasty stuff that comes out. So stay tuned with us here. We're going to change it right now. So to start off with, there's 4 little covers over the screws inside the glove box that you want to go ahead and take out. Then this gives you access to the Phillips head screws that you'll need to remove. Also go ahead and take out the Phillips head screws out of the latch, as you will need to remove this as well. There are several Phillips head screws on the passenger side edge of the dash, and you can access these after removing the access panel door. Make sure to check, as there's 1 or 2 Phillips head screws that are a little deeper in the edge of the dash here that you will need to remove. The panel underneath the radio HVAC controls will need to be removed, and this took a little bit of work to remove as the clips are quite firm, but using the plastic trim removal tools we were able to get this out of here. After removing this panel, there are a few more Phillips head screws that need to be removed. Using the plastic trim removal tool, we were able to pull the kick panel underneath the glove box off. This needs to be removed so you can access the actual cabin air filters. There are a few Phillips head screws down here that need removed, and then this bar will come off to access the cabin air filter cover. Two more screws need to be removed on the bottom of the glove box assembly, and then it can slowly be pulled out of the dash. Don't forget to disconnect your glove box light wiring connector. With this bar out of the way, we can now have access to the cabin air filter cover, and when you pull this off, be prepared for possibly some dirt and debris to come out. There are 2 cabin air filters, one is stacked on top of the other. If your Honda Accord is like this one, there'll be plenty of leaves and debris and other random things in here, believe it or not. You may want to have a vacuum handy to sweep this out, and in this case we have used our Dyson handheld unit. That's Dyson for all your cabin air filter dirt removal needs. The new cabin air filters can go in, and you'll have to push the first one up so the second one can sit underneath of it. Make sure your airflow is going in the right direction, and then reinstall the cabin air filter cover. From here you want to go ahead and put your bar back on and reinstall the Phillips head screws, and then work on putting your glove box back in. Don't forget to reconnect your glove box light wiring connector. Reinstall the 2 screws underneath the bottom of the glove box. And then go ahead and reinstall the kick panel under the glove box, and you can put your Phillips head screws back in on the side of the dash, and then reinstall your access panel door. Reinstall the panel under the radio HVAC controls, and you're done. Congratulations! Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.